Ever feel bloated or tired after a supposedly healthy meal? The problem might not be what you're eating, but how you're combining it. We're about to break down the food pairings that could be secretly messing with your digestion and energy. Some combinations might seem harmless, but together, they can cause unexpected reactions in your body. And number 3 is a smoothie staple many of us use daily. The theory is that mixing fast and slow digesting foods can cause bloating, gas, and fatigue. While science shows our bodies can handle mixed meals, many people report feeling much better when they avoid certain combos. So, let's look at 5 of them. So, first up, let's talk about milk with acidic fruits like oranges. The acid in those fruits can cause the milk to curdle, and honestly, that could lead to some discomfort, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. Instead, you might want to have your acidic fruit about 30 minutes before your dairy, or, just use low-acid fruits like bananas and mangoes in your smoothies. Next, we've got the classic steak and potatoes. Piling your plate high with both dense proteins and starches can really leave you feeling heavy and, well, sluggish. Simply adjust your portions. Try a smaller piece of meat and fill the rest of your plate with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli or asparagus. This one might be a shocker: bananas and milk. In Ayurvedic tradition, this combination is considered heavy and is thought to slow digestion. While there's no modern science to prove this, if you feel weighed down after your banana smoothie, listen to your body. Try having them separately or, swap the dairy milk for a plant-based option like almond or oat milk. Fruit digests very quickly. Eating it right after a heavy meal can cause it to get stuck behind slower digesting foods, which can, honestly, lead to gas and bloating for some people. This one is easy. Eat fruit on an empty stomach or as a snack at least 30 minutes before your main meals. Finally, wine with a sugary dessert. Both make your liver work overtime. Your body actually prioritizes metabolizing the alcohol first, which can cause a blood sugar spike and then, a crash. The key is moderation. If you know you're going to have a rich dessert, maybe skip the alcohol for that evening or, vice versa. So what's the bottom line? First, these are just guidelines, so always listen to your body. If a combination makes you feel bloated, avoid it. Second, try eating fruit on its own. And third, add plenty of non-starchy vegetables to your heavy meals to aid digestion. Which of these food combinations were you most surprised by? Let me know in the comments. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on feeling your best. Thanks for watching.